Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Toyota Tacoma key fob. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver, which is crucial for safely opening the fob without causing damage. Additionally, make sure you have a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery ready. Having a clean, well-lit area will also help prevent losing any small parts during the process. Now, let's carefully open the key fob. Look for a small slot or indentation along the edge of the fob's casing, usually on the side or bottom. This is where you'll insert your flathead screwdriver. Gently insert the tip of the screwdriver into this slot. With a slight, careful twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, specifically which side is facing upwards. This ensures you insert the new battery correctly. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently pry out the old coin cell battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing up, just like the old one. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Make sure all the internal components are properly seated before you press them together. Apply gentle, even pressure until you hear a distinct click, confirming that the fob is securely closed. Finally, it's time to test your work. Head to your vehicle and try locking and unlocking the doors to ensure your newly replaced battery is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.